Will AI replace your job or make you more valuable? The honest answer is that AI will remove some tasks, change many jobs, and make people with the right judgment considerably more valuable. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IASV Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. The argument about AI and jobs is usually framed too simply. One side says AI will replace everyone. The other says it is just another productivity tool. Companies are already discovering that both claims miss what is actually happening. PwC's 2026 Global AI Jobs Barometer examined more than 1 billion job advertisements. It found a two-track labor market. Some roles are becoming easier for more people to perform. Other roles are becoming more valuable because AI automates routine work and increases the importance of judgment, creativity, and leadership. So ask a better question. Which part of your job is information processing, and which part depends on trust, context, and accountability? AI is very good at summarizing documents, drafting material, searching large amounts of information, and producing a first answer. It is much less reliable when the decision involves incomplete information, competing incentives, human emotion, or consequences that somebody must own. That creates three groups of workers. 1. People who continue doing routine work exactly as before. They face the greatest pressure. 2. People who use AI to do the same work faster. They gain capacity, but capacity alone does not guarantee value. 3. People who combine AI speed with domain knowledge, customer understanding, and decision-making. They can take on a larger scope of responsibility. That is where the advantage is likely to compound. The practical response is not to learn every new tool. Pick one important workflow. Learn how AI changes the first draft, the research, and the analysis. Then improve the human part that remains. That could be negotiation, leadership, sales, judgment, or the ability to explain a difficult decision. AI will replace some tasks and change many jobs, but it will make people who combine technical fluency with judgment and accountability more valuable. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. Over 400 events since 2021, bringing together senior executives, founders, and investors. If you want to be considered for an Open Future Forum dinner, find me on LinkedIn. If you want to sponsor one, the same applies. I'm Murray Newlands from Open Future Forum. See you in the next briefing.